Welcome to a new series named as Essentials, and the first topic will cover the coordinate systems. And today we have the first video on what is a coordinate system. So the purpose of this video is to introduce the concept of reference in a coordinate system and build up foundation for coordinate systems. So to if we have a 1D coordinate system simply align like this one, and I want to explain a specific point position, say this point, I cannot identify without a reference. That's why we need to define a reference such that I can describe a point. If we have a specific point that we agree on it, all the people who are living in this line, and say they will name it origin, where say x equal to 0, and in that case I can say my point is at x unit from the origin. And after that, actually there is another point that I actually whether I'll be in the right hand side of this origin or in the left hand side of origin. So I can say if I'm in the right hand side, I'm in the positive direction. If I'm in the left hand side, I am in the negative direction. So this is simply the concept of a coordination. Once I move to more realistic coordinate system, starting from the two-dimensional one, now as we know, we described a one-dimensional system with origin and one direction. Then in case of two-dimensional system, we need two references actually. So, and also to be independent, these two coordinate system need to be perpendicular such that they don't depend on each other. In that case, if we say for example this is x and y, we still have a positive x and negative x and positive y and negative y, and the intersection of these two we will name as our origin 0 and 0. So the takeaways of today's video is that if we have a one-dimensional coordinate system, we need a signed reference, an origin or a reference point, and a signed distance from it. So either here or here, for example. So in that case, we are in the positive side plus x, or negative side, such that we describe the one-dimensional system. But in case of a two-dimensional system, we will need more than that. First, we need an origin, of course, and normally, as we said, it will be the intersection of the two coordinates. We need two axes which are perpendicular to each other, such that they are independent from each other, and we need a rule for measurement along those axes, positive or negative. And in short, the coordinate system is mapping the space into numbers, of course, because at the end we will give, for example, 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 and so on, either positive x, positive y, negative y. So for example, if I want to reach this point, I can say this one is, for example, 5y and 3x. Thank you.